Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of dash cameras, an essential gadget for every driver. Whether you're looking to protect yourself from false claims, capture unexpected moments on the road, or just amp up your vehicle's security, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best dash cameras for cars, highlighting their standout features and uncovering both the pros and the cons. So, buckle up and let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Suvcon J06 dash camera for car. The Suvcon J06 dash camera for cars offers a comprehensive approach to vehicle surveillance with its 3-channel recording setup. Featuring a front camera with a 170 wide-angle lens, a 150 cabin camera, and a waterproof rear camera, this device aims to reduce blind spots and enhance safety by capturing a full view around your vehicle. However, like any product, it has both advantages and drawbacks. In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of the Suvcon J06 dash camera. Pros: triple-channel recording. The Suvcon J06 stands out with its triple-channel recording system. The wide-angle front camera, along with the cabin and rear cameras, ensures that every angle around your car is covered. This feature reduces blind spots, which is essential for both accident prevention and evidence collection in case of incidents. G-sensor and parking monitor. Equipped with a built-in G-sensor, the camera automatically activates emergency recording and locks footage when it detects sudden shakes or collisions. This ensures that critical moments are preserved, even if an event occurs when the car is stationary. This added layer of protection is especially useful for parked vehicles. Loop recording. The loop recording feature ensures that the dash cam can record continuously without running out of space. When the storage reaches its limit, the oldest footage is overridden by the newest recordings. This allows the device to maintain a constant record, with intervals of 1 or 3 minutes. Additionally, the camera comes with a 32GB SD card pre-installed, so you won't need to purchase one separately. Superior night vision. One of the standout features of the Suvcon J06 is its superior WDR technology and infrared LED lights, which enhance its night vision capabilities. The infrared lights in the interior-facing cabin camera improve clarity under low-light conditions, while the WDR technology adjusts exposure levels for optimal performance in varying lighting situations. This ensures clear and detailed footage, even in dark environments. Easy installation and user-friendly interface. Installation of the Suvcon J06 dash camera is straightforward. The camera is designed for plug-and-play functionality, meaning you can easily mount it on your windshield and start recording. The user interface is intuitive, with simple key settings that make it accessible to individuals of all tech levels. Cons: limited camera resolution. While the camera system offers a wide-angle view and superior night vision, the actual resolution of the footage might not match the high-end models available in the market. Users looking for 4K resolution or exceptionally high-quality video might find the footage lacking in fine details, especially when zooming in on recorded images. The Suvcon J06 dash camera is a versatile and reliable choice for drivers looking for a 3-channel dash cam that provides comprehensive coverage around their vehicle. With its G-sensor, loop recording, superior night vision, and easy installation, it is well suited for everyday use. Coming in at number 4, we have the Ovaman K600 dash camera for car. The Ovaman K600 dash camera is a robust option for drivers looking for both front and rear dashcam coverage. With 4K and 1080p dual recording capabilities, advanced night vision, and a convenient app system, it promises to deliver an elevated driving experience. However, as with any product, it's important to weigh both the pros and cons to understand whether this dashcam is the right choice for your vehicle. Pros: dual recording in 4K and 1080p. One of the standout features of the Ovaman K600 is its dual camera setup, which records both front and rear at ultra-high-definition 4K, 3842,160p, and 1080p resolutions. This dual recording is especially useful for capturing critical details such as license plates, road signs, and even pedestrians, ensuring that you have clear footage in case of an incident. Wide-angle view. The K600 is equipped with a 170 front-facing camera lens and a 150 rear camera lens, which gives it an expansive field of view. This wide-angle coverage ensures that you capture a larger area around your vehicle, providing a more complete record of your surroundings. It's particularly helpful for monitoring blind spots and ensuring a clear view of what's happening in front and behind the car. Superior night vision. Night driving can be tricky, but with the Ovaman K600's advanced night vision technology, it excels in low-light conditions. The camera is designed to capture clear and vivid footage, ensuring that even in challenging lighting environments, you still get a reliable recording. This makes nighttime driving safer, as you won't miss key details when visibility is reduced. Easy-to-use app system. The Ovaman K600 features an intuitive 3.59 display screen that provides a user-friendly interface for viewing footage. In addition, the app system makes it easy to manage and share recordings via 5G Wi-Fi without any wires. This instant sharing feature is great for quickly saving or sharing important videos in the event of an emergency. Built-in GPS and reliable parking surveillance. With its built-in GPS, the K600 tracks your vehicle's location, speed, and route, which can be invaluable in case of an accident. The dashcam's parking mode provides 24/7 monitoring of your vehicle, ensuring that even while parked, it remains under surveillance for theft or damage. This adds an extra layer of security, though the parking feature requires an additional hardware kit. Cons. Limited storage capacity with default SD card. The Ovaman K600 includes a 32GB SD card, which may seem generous at first glance. However, with the camera recording in high resolutions like 4K, storage can fill up quickly. The Ovaman K600 dash camera offers a solid combination of features that can significantly enhance your driving experience, especially if you're looking for high-quality footage, night vision, and the added security of a rear camera. Its dual recording in 4K and 1080p, wide-angle lenses, and superior night vision make it a competitive option in the dashcam market. At number 3, the Arifayz Q4 dash camera for car. The Arifayz Q4 dash camera for car is a front and rear dual camera system designed to capture the road ahead and behind you in ultra-high definition. With its upgraded features, it promises an enhanced driving experience, offering greater clarity and security. Here's a breakdown of its pros and cons. Pros. Impressive 4K plus 1080p resolution. The Q4 dashcam's front camera records in 4K Ultra HD, while the rear camera offers a clear 1080p resolution. This dual camera setup ensures that both the front and rear are recorded in sharp detail. Whether it's day or night, this camera delivers exceptional video quality, capturing precise details such as license plates and road signs. Enhanced night vision. Thanks to the built-in GC-CMOS sensor with a large f1.5 aperture and WDR technology, the Q4 excels in low-light conditions. This provides clear and precise footage even in extremely dark environments, offering added security while driving at night. Compact and discreet design. The Q4 is designed to be mini-sized, allowing it to be easily mounted behind your rearview mirror without obstructing your view. Its discreet design ensures that the camera remains largely unnoticed, offering a sleek, unobtrusive look while providing full functionality. Easy installation and user-friendly operation. The Q4 dashcam is extremely easy to install and operate. Even first-time users will find it hassle-free to set up, with no complicated procedures involved. Once installed, controlling the dashcam is straightforward, ensuring you can focus on the road. Built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi and app control. The dashcam supports both Android and iOS apps, allowing you to stream footage live, download videos, and adjust settings remotely. You can also easily share your driving footage on social media platforms like YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook with just a tap, making it convenient to share your experiences. 24-hour parking mode. With the 24-hour parking mode activated, the Q4 dashcam continues to provide security even when you're not in the car. When parked, it automatically detects any movement or impact and starts recording, ensuring that your vehicle is protected from potential collisions or theft attempts. The time-lapse recording helps maintain continuous monitoring while minimizing power consumption. Cons. Limited to 30 FPS in 4K mode. Although the 4K resolution offers incredible clarity, the camera records at 30 frames per second, which may not be as smooth as some might prefer. This might be noticeable during fast-moving scenes or sudden actions on the road. The Arifayz Q4 dash camera for car offers a robust combination of high-quality video recording, easy installation, and added features like 24-hour parking mode and premium night vision. Its compact design and user-friendly controls make it an excellent choice for drivers looking for reliable and discreet security. In the second spot, we have the Redtiger F7NP dash camera for car. The Redtiger F7NP dash camera offers an impressive blend of advanced features designed to enhance your driving experience. This dual camera system promises high-quality recording, robust night vision, and practical functionality, making it an appealing choice for anyone seeking to improve their vehicle's safety and provide evidence in the event of an accident. However, as with all products, there are both strengths and weaknesses to consider before making a purchase. Pros: outstanding dual recording quality. One of the key advantages of the Redtiger F7NP dash cam is its dual recording capability. The front camera records in Ultra HD 4K, 3840x2160p, while the rear camera captures FHD 1080p footage. This high-resolution recording helps capture vital details such as road signs, vehicle number plates, and the surrounding environment, ensuring that every important moment is clearly documented. Superior night vision. Driving at night can be challenging, but the F7NP's superior night vision system ensures clear visibility. Equipped with an f/.5 aperture and 6 layers of optical lenses, coupled with HDR, WDR technology, this dash cam excels in low-light conditions. Whether you're driving through dimly lit streets or in foggy weather, the camera captures crucial details to help protect you in the event of an incident. Wi-Fi and smart app control. The integration of Wi-Fi and the Redtiger app provides a modern touch to the dashcam experience. By connecting the camera to your smartphone, you can easily view, playback, and manage footage on both iOS and Android devices. This feature allows for convenient video editing and sharing with just a click, making it easier than ever to showcase your travels or important moments with friends and family. Built-in GPS for tracking. The Redtiger F7NP features built-in GPS that records your driving route, real-time speed, and location. This can be invaluable in case of an accident, as the GPS data can provide further evidence of the event. You can track your journey on Google Maps using the app, or use the GPS player on Windows and Mac for added convenience. Cons. Size of the front camera. The front camera's large size might be a concern for users who prefer a more discreet or compact dashcam. Its size may not suit vehicles with limited windshield space or drivers who prefer a less noticeable setup. The Redtiger F7NP dash camera is a feature-packed option for those seeking enhanced security and high-quality footage. With its dual 4K and 1080p recording, superior night vision, GPS tracking, and robust accident recording features, it stands out as a reliable tool for protecting you and your vehicle. And finally, at number 1, we have the Pruveeo D90 dash camera for car. The Pruveeo D90 dash camera for car offers an impressive array of features designed to enhance both the safety and convenience of your driving experience. With its 4-channel setup and advanced capabilities, this dash cam aims to cover all angles literally and figuratively. However, like any product, it has both strengths and weaknesses. We break down the pros and cons of the Pruveeo D90 dash camera. Pros. Comprehensive 4-channel coverage. One of the standout features of the Pruveeo D90 is its 4-channel setup. With 4 lenses front, rear, left, and right, this dashcam ensures you have a complete view of your surroundings. This wide-angle coverage minimizes blind spots and offers peace of mind, particularly in busy traffic situations or when parking. Additionally, the front lenses are adjustable, allowing for customized angles to capture the most relevant details. Time-lapse recording for efficient storage. Time-lapse recording is another valuable feature, especially when the dashcam is in parking mode. It compresses a 60-minute video into a 1-minute interval, which conserves memory space without compromising on important details. This mode is ideal for long-term storage, reducing the strain on your memory card and making it easier to review footage quickly. Built-in GPS logger. For those who need precise data on their vehicle's location and speed, the built-in GPS functionality is a game-changer. The GPS system records essential details, including the vehicle's speed, location, and route, all of which can be accessed through the GPS video player. This feature is particularly useful for insurance claims or emergency situations, as it pinpoints the exact location of any incident. Excellent night vision. Nighttime recording can often be a challenge for dash cameras, but the Pruveeo D90 stands out with its quality night vision capabilities. The cabin lens features an f/.8 aperture paired with 4 infrared lights, allowing it to capture clear, high-quality footage even in low-light conditions. This ensures round-the-clock protection, making it a reliable choice for night driving. Cons: limited app compatibility. While the built-in Wi-Fi is a great feature, the mobile app that enables it is not perfect. Some users may find that the app occasionally has compatibility issues or lacks the functionality they expect. It's important to check app compatibility before making the purchase if this feature is critical for your needs. The Pruveeo D90 dash camera is an excellent choice for drivers looking for comprehensive, high-quality coverage with modern features like GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, and superior night vision. Its 4-channel setup ensures that all angles around the car are captured, providing peace of mind for drivers.